Naji here, welcome back. Let's continue our discussion on Vertex AI. In this video, we will be discussing on text processing. So if you are following along with me, so in our last video, we have discussed about multimedia like images, videos and the audio file processing, right? And here, when it comes to the text processing, there is not that much change in the code. The code is mostly same. Okay, so I highly recommend you guys to watch my previous video if you are not done yet. So this time, like, I will be doing lot of copy and paste from my previous notebook. Okay, so this is our the code that we will be using for the configurations, right? So this we discussed about in our first video also. So next is what we need to create a part. So let me come here. Okay, so similar to in our the multimedia, we need to have a part is needed. So let me paste it here. Then we need a model, right? So this is a model that I am going to use. Okay, so this is the model that I am going to use, and we have a part. Now we need a PDF file to process. For that, as I showed in my last video, there is a bucket is available. This is provided by the Vertex AI team itself for the processing. So if you scroll down below, if you scroll down this bucket, if you scroll down here, we can see Generative AI bucket will be there. Under that, we can see different folders can be seen. So one of them is the PDF. So let me click on it. So here we can see lot of PDFs can be seen here, right? PDF file can be seen here. And what I am going to do, I am going to take this invoice.pdf. So let me open this one. I can download. Okay, so this is the sample invoice PDF. Here we can see different details about this invoice, right? The description, quantity, price and subtotal, sales tax, total, lot of information are there here in this PDF. So we'll see how can we read this PDF file, and we can see how we can ask some questions with respect to this PDF file. Okay, so for that, let me copy this. Okay, and one more thing about this bucket, I will be give this URL into my comment box, this bucket URL, so you guys can go and check this one. Okay, fine. So what I have done, I have just copied this URL. So let me copy this URL. Let go back to my notebook. Okay, so this is my notebook. Here I can say PDF file URL. I can mention. So this is the PDF file URL. Okay, let's execute. Now we need to read the file. Okay, so let's copy and paste the same code. Okay, here I can say PDF file part from URI. Okay, so I can use the URL here, the same URL. So since I assign that into a variable, I can specify the PDF file URL. Okay, now we have to specify the MIME part. So this will be application/PDF. So let's execute. The execution is done. Let's print this one, PDF file. Okay, so we have the MIME type is there. Now we have the URL path is there. Now we will try to summarize this PDF. For that, what I can do, here we can use the same code, not much change. Okay, just copy and paste. Okay, so instead of image file, I can give the PDF file. I'm just giving the PDF file. Okay, now I can say summarize the invoice. Now what I can do, I can just do print rest.text. Let's execute. So execution is progress. See, it is giving me the summary. It's giving the vendor as Amosh, invoice date, invoice number and bill date, and it's actually listing the items also. Okay, then I can see the subtotal, sales tax, everything is displayed here. Okay, maybe I can ask another question. So I'm just trying to see what all things that we can ask. So let me go back here. I can ask what I will, okay, what is a quantity? Let me ask this. You can ask what is the quantity of item. Okay, let me see. It will give the right answer. 7. I believe it is correct, right? Yeah, 7 is the quantity item, which is good. Now maybe I can ask only the balance due. One more question that we can ask, give me balance due. Let's ask. Okay, so it's giving us the correct result. So this is working fine, and it is giving really good answers for us. Now let's try to do with the text files. Okay, so for that, let me copy this. Okay, so here instead of PDF file, I can say text file. Okay, now I need to find the text URL. For that, let me go back to my bucket. This is my bucket. This is my bucket. Let's go back. Search for the text. Where is the text? Yeah, here we can see the text. So let's click on the text. There are two texts are there. One is the book.text and one is the inefficient Fibonacci series dot something like this. Okay, so let's take this book.text. Let's copy this and directly paste here. Okay, now what I can do, I can just print this model dot generate content. Okay, I can pass the text file. I can pass the text file. Then I can ask the question here. Okay, I can say summarize the text file, just giving that. The document has no pages. Okay. Okay, so here we can see this is a text file that we are using. We are using the text file, but here the MIME type we are giving application/text, right? So this also must be text. So let's execute. Is it text or txt? Let me see. The MIME type text which is not supported. Application which is not supported. Okay, I think there is some issue with the MIME type that I am selecting. Let me check this. Okay, give me a moment. Okay, I just Google it and the MIME type is text/plain. Okay, so let's execute. I believe this time should work. Yes, I can print it text.text. Okay, now we are getting the exact. I can do the print. The print I can do. Let's do the print. Okay, now we are getting the summary of the text. So in this way we can easily process the text and the PDF files. So one good thing about this Vertex AI is if you are saying like for the images, audio, video and for the PDF and text, the structure is almost same, right? Only the few changes are there. One is only the main major changes with respect to the MIME type. If you are able to dynamically pass the MIME type, then we can use the same code structure for all these 5 data types, right? Yep, I think that is all about in this video. Please do like and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye bye.